Hello everyone, how are you? It's Dr. Durwada here, and I'm excited to announce that we're hosting an open house at Dido Gynecology. I cannot wait to introduce to you these new amazing services that we're offering. We're not your cookie cutter gynecology office where you go get your pap and that's it. I'm committed to making sure you live your best quality of life. So are you going through menopause but you're struggling? I can help you. Are you trying to lose weight? You used to be able to lose it easily in your 20s, but now you're older, it's harder. I can help you. Are you losing your hair? Postpartum after your baby, just because you're getting older, it's getting thinner? I can help you, okay? Do you feel like everything's not balanced? Like your hormones are just not balanced? I hear this all the time. I just feel my hormones are not balanced. I can help you. All right, at the open house, you're going to get my patients who are there. They will tell you their results. They'll be able to share their results with you. You'll be able to see live demonstrations of some of these services. So I'm really excited. The reservations are limited, so we're offering VIP tickets. And so those reservations are limited. So register now. Link is in my bio. I cannot wait to see you.